Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news from the world of Formula One and the F1 Academy. Ferrari has officially announced that Maya Wig will continue racing in the F1 Academy for the 2025 season. Now, if you don't know who Maya Wig is, let me bring you up to speed. She made history as the first female driver to be part of the prestigious Ferrari Driver Academy, a program designed to shape young talents into future F1 stars. After a strong 2024 season, Ferrari clearly sees her potential, and they're backing her for another year. First, Ferrari's commitment to Vogue shows they believe in her talent. Being part of the FDA means she's getting top-tier training, development, and racing experience. The F1 Academy itself is growing rapidly, providing young female racers with a clear path to the top levels of motorsport. Maya has already proven she can compete at a high level, and with an extra season under her belt, 2025 could be a breakthrough year for her. She'll be driving for Prima Racing once again, one of the most successful teams in junior categories. This stability gives her the perfect opportunity to refine her skills, fight for wins, and continue her journey toward higher-level single-seaters. But Ferrari's support isn't just about one driver. It's part of a bigger movement. The F1 Academy is pushing for more diversity and opportunities in motorsport, and teams like Ferrari are stepping up to help talented young women reach the top. So what's next for Maya Vogue? Well, the 2025 F1 Academy season will be crucial. If she delivers strong performances, she could be on her way to Formula 3, maybe even F2 in the future. And who knows, could we see her in an F1 car one day? Let me know in the comments. Do you think Maya Wig has what it takes to go all the way to Formula One? And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the future stars of motorsport. Thanks for watching, and
I'll see you in the next video.